Are you still feeling uncomfortable or bloated after meals, or maybe fatigued and just brain fog, just not feeling like yourself? You might even be eating clean, or you've cut out gluten, maybe some other foods, maybe you're taking probiotics, and you're still feeling the same way. Well, it's probably because you haven't addressed your gut type. Now, there are 3 gut types. These are the 3 patterns that we see over and over in the women, the people that we work with. And that's probably the reason why you haven't been able to effectively resolve your gut issues. And so that's why today we're going to break down these 3 different gut types so you can figure out which one of those matches your body the most and actually get you on the road to healing, because you're actually addressing the root cause. Now, these are the 3 gut types, and they are sensitive, sluggish, and inflamed. Which one of those are you? So pay attention during this video to the different symptoms and what each gut type is really about, so that you can figure out which one of these best matches your body and your symptoms. The first type is a sensitive gut. Okay, sensitive. So this gut overreacts to everything. You've maybe tried low FODMAP diet or tried enzymes and probiotics. You might have even eliminated all the usual suspects from your diet, and you're still bloated or running to the bathroom. Like one bite of an onion or one stressful day and it just sets you off. And this is because your gut is basically stuck on hyper alert mode. Right? The immune system in the lining of your gut is overstimulated. It's constantly scanning for threats in your diet, and your brain, know this too, is very densely connected to your gut. Thousands of nerves connected to, running up and down. And so mental emotional stress is going to affect your gut. Other things that put you more at risk for this type are antibiotic use, or a history of birth control use, mold, environmental toxins, and stress, just overall stress, whether it's physical stress in your body or emotional stress. This is going to cause symptoms like bloating, feeling very reactive and on edge, bloating and discomfort that's just unpredictable in nature, right? Food intolerances, nausea or anxiety. So you don't fix all this by restricting more, okay? You fix it by calming the immune system, by rebuilding the gut lining, using the right nutrients, and supporting your vagus nerve, which is the part of your nervous system that helps you to rest and relax and repair, right? That's when you stop reacting, right, and start recovering by giving your body what it really needs. Next is the sluggish gut. Now, this gut is not overreacting, okay? It's just underperforming. Right? Food sits, doesn't move through the gut as it should. Digestion is basically a slow crawl, and bowel movements, your poops are just rare, or just they feel incomplete. And because your body's not eliminating properly through the gut, we can get toxin backup. Right? Your body's not eliminating toxins properly through the gut, one of the main detox organs. And of course, that's just not good for your health at all. Right? Food is putrefying, bacteria are fermenting it, and that causes a lot of other downstream issues. So this is the woman who eats clean but feels tired after meals from this backup, this buildup, and also your body's not properly absorbing nutrients from your diet. And so symptoms like bloating and just slow digestion, feeling constipated or heavy after meals, low energy overall, possibly depression. And so this is happening because there's, again, low motility in the gut. The foods aren't moving through as fast as they should be. There's weak digestion, the liver is becoming stagnant overall. So what it needs is more stimulation, not more cutting foods out. So some tools that help are using bitter herbs. There are bitter herbal sprays in your tongue. That helps with digestive support because it causes your body to release more digestive secretions. It's also taking magnesium and some motility agents or some herbs like artichoke. That helps, again, the gut move more properly, increasing motility. And of course, liver and bile flow support too. And sometimes abdominal massage or vagus nerve work, even pelvic floor therapy sometimes for women. This is about moving digestion forward. The last type is inflamed gut. So this one is in full alarm mode, right? There's cramping and pain and loose stools, brain fog, stress, fatigue, joint pain and rashes. So this is a person who may have been told that, oh, it's just IBS, or you may be may have been diagnosed with colitis or Crohn's or leaky gut. So this isn't just a digestive issue. This is also an immune system issue, because most people don't know that most of your immune system is actually located in and around your gut. And so it can lead to an autoimmune process happening when your gut is on high alert and very irritable, triggering autoimmunity, but also a full body flare. Right? So this inflammation isn't just in the gut, it's in the full body, which is why you see stress and anxiety and joint pain and rashes. It's really a systemic problem all over your whole body. So you're not going to be able to rebuild while this fire is still burning. So the first thing to do is calm the inflammation, right? Put the fire out, then rebuild the lining of your gut and restore balance there. So what works is using gut sealing nutrients that help to repair the gut lining, like zinc or glutamine and colostrum. You want to use targeted anti-inflammatory support and modulate the immune system. You don't want to suppress it, right? And detox properly from hidden inflammation drivers like mold and parasites and metals, things that can only be found with comprehensive testing. Okay, so an inflamed gut is not going to resolve until we get to the bottom of what's going on and figure out with the right testing what is causing the inflammation in the first place. Now, most women don't fall neatly into just one box, whether it's sensitive, sluggish, or inflamed. It's usually a mix of two, or maybe even all three types here. But usually one pattern is leading the way, right? Maybe sensitive on the surface, but sluggish underneath, or inflamed when the problem gets ignored. This is why gut healing gets frustrating, because it's not a straight line, but it is possible to recover from. And once you know where your gut is stuck, then you can move forward with some clarity, right? And first, calm the alarms if that's what's needed, then restore digestion and rebuild true resilience in your health, in your body. So that's when your body starts to work with you and you feel it. You feel it in your energy, in your skin, the way you look, the way you feel, your sleep quality, your mood. It affects everything. So if this helped you understand your gut a little better, then take the next step. We built a 10-question quiz to help you figure out your primary gut type and get a starting strategy here. All right, it's totally free. It takes 2 minutes. Link is in the description here. So let's find what your gut has been asking for and give it the support that it's been missing this whole time. So click the link below, take the quiz, and get some answers for yourself.